Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS preparation site. So guys, this is the second chapter of GRE Quant, but the part 2 of the percent and ratios. So for the part 1, check out our description part, so you will get the link for the part 1. So now we'll move on to the questions and solve it. Here is our first question. Townville has a population of 1213. 296 people in Townville speak Spanish. So for column A, we have to find out the percentage of people in Townville who speak Spanish. Column B is given 25. So from question, 296 people speak Spanish and total population is 1213. So we can easily find out the percentage of people who speak Spanish is equal to 296 divided by 1213 into 100%. So it will become 24.4%. So quantity B is greater and our answer will be B. Here is our next question. Column A is given 43% of 207. That is 43 divided by 100 into 207. It will become 89.01. So quantity A is greater. Answer will be A. So our next question is 4 by 5%. 4 by 5% means whole divided by 100. For simplify 4 by 500, the answer will be 0.008. Here the 0.8 will be greater than, so quantity B is greater than A. So answer will be B option. Here is our next question. The sales tax at a certain store is 15%. The total price of an item including sales tax is $45. So for column A, we have to find out the price of items excluding the sales tax. That is before sales tax, we have to find out the price of item. Let's consider X, which is the price of item. Then after sales tax, 15% of X, the price will become $45. So this is 1115 equal to 45 into 100. So X will be 4500 divided by 1115. Price will be $39.13. So obviously quantity A is greater than B. So answer will be A. So next question is Ashley's score was 20% higher than Bert's score and the Bert score was 20% lower than Charles' score. For column A, we have to find out the Ashley's score, and for column B, we have to find out the Charles' score. So given two conditions, we can analyze it one by one. Ashley's score B plus 20% of B, right? It will become 1.2B. And for Bert's score, B is equal to 20% lower than Charles. Then C minus 20% of C. So that will become 0.8 C. Ashley's score is equal to 1.2 B. But Charles' score is C. So convert the B also into C so that it will be easy for us to compare. So 1.2 into B is 0.8 C. So that will become 0.96 C and it is C. See here the quantity B is greater than A. So answer will be B. Here is our next question. Given condition Wxy is not equal to 0. 3W is equal to 4x and 4y is equal to 3x. For column A, we have to find out the ratio of WYY. Make the denominator and numerator both same so that we can find out the ratio of it easily. So from above equation, here we will get W is equal to 4 by 3x. And from this we will get y is equal to 3 by 4x. Substitute it. W will be 4 by 3x divided by y will be 3 by 4x. X is eliminated. So that will become 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. That is 16 by 9 and 1. 16 by 9 become 1.78. So the quantity A is greater than B and answer will be A. Here is our next question. 4 people shared a dinner with an $80 bill and tipped the waiter 15% of this amount. If each person contributed equally to paying the bill and tip, how much did each person pay? So we have to analyze the question first. $80 bill and 15% of this amount they tip. So tip will be 15% of $80. 0, 0 is cancelled out. Then it will become $12. So there are total 4 people, so we have to divide it. So bill will become for each person $20 and tip will become for each person is $3. So each person contributed total amount will be 20 plus 3 is equal to $23. So our answer will be option B. Next question is the price of a certain stock rose by 25% and then decreased by y%. After the decrease, the stock was back to its original price. That means after decrease, the price will be same. So we have to find out by how much percent it will decrease so that the price will remain same as the previous one. So for this we can use the percentage change formula, that is A plus B plus AB divided by 100. So for remain, this percentage change will be 0. So use this condition. So the A considered 25%, that is increase, so it will become positive, and B is decrease amount y%, so that will become minus y%. So plus A is 25 and B is minus y divided by 100 is equal to 0. So 25 minus y, and this will become 25 1 and 25 4. 5 by 4 is equal to 0. Implies 25 is equal to y plus y by 4. 25 is equal to 5y by 4 implies 5y is equal to 4 into 25, that will become y is equal to 4 into 25 by 5. Answer will be 5 4 is 20. So y is 20% and quantity B is given 25. So B is greater and answer will be B option. Here is our next question. 22% of x and 2 by 9 of x. We can cross multiply to make it easy. 22 into 9x and 2 into 100x, that will become 22 into 9 will be 198x and this will become 200x. By saying we can conclude that the quantity B is greater, right? But no, we don't know the value of x. X will be negative or positive. What if x is minus 1? Then it will become minus 198 and it will become minus 200. So by saying this, quantity A become a greater. And what if x equal to positive 1? Then the column A become 198 and column B become 200. Quantity B will be greater. So from here we cannot determine the relationship between the column A and B. That's why we choose the option D for the answer. So next question is the numbers P and Q are both positive. If P% of 160 equal to Q% of 40, then we have to find out P by Q. So analyze this. P by 100 into 160 is equal to Q% of 40. 100 is eliminated. So P by Q is equal to 40 by 160. So 0 0 is eliminated and 4 1 and 4 4. That will become 1 by 4. So here our answer is second option, 1 by 4. Our next question is if y is equal to x by 5, then what is the ratio of 2x to 3y? we have to find out 2x by 3y, and given is y is equal to x by 5. So x by y is equal to 5. So from here we can make it 2 by 3 bracket x by y. Then this will become 2 by 3 into 5. That will become 10 by 3. So answer will be fourth option, 10 by 3. So here is our next question. Increasing the original price of a certain item by 25% and then increasing the new price by 25% is equivalent to increasing the original price by what percent? The first condition, it increased by 25%, then again the new price is increased by 25%. So here also we have to find out the change in percentage. Like the before we have used, the formula is a plus b plus ab by 100. So a is positive because it is increase, so a plus 25, and b is also plus 25, it is also increases, plus 25 into 25 divided by 100. So 25 become 50 plus 25 4 times, that will become 6.25. The answer will be 56.25%. Our answer is last option. Here is our next question. If xy is not equal to 0 and 75% of x is equal to 125% of y, then which of the following is true? First analyze this situation. 75% of x is equal to 125% of y, that is 0.75 x is equal to 1.25 y. So here see the options, we find out the y is and y is. So we'll make the y one side and remaining will be other side. So y is equal to 0.75 divided by 1.25 x, that will become 0.6 x. So now it will be easy for us to solve this. Now consider this situation one by one. So y is equal to here 25% of x, so that will become 0.25 x, which is not equal to this. So this is not our choice. So next see, y is equal to 40% of x, so that will become 0.4 x. This is also not equal, eliminate it. So next is y is equal to 60% of x, so that will become 0.6 x, that is equal. So this is our answer. We don't need to find out the other two values because we have to choose only one, that it mentions which of the following is true. So here is our next question. If 24 kg of flour are required to make 300 tarts, how many kg of flour are required to make 45 tarts? So first we'll analyze the question, that is 300 tarts is equal to 24 kg of flour, right? So for 1 tarts we need 24 by 300 kg flour. So therefore for 45 tarts we need 24 by 300 into 45. Answer will be 3.6. But the answer choices are given in fraction values, so we'll convert it on a fraction. That will become 36 by 10, which is 18 by 5. So our answer choice is third option. In Aldebaran Corporation, 35% of the manager have an MBA. And if there are 42 managers with MBA, what is the total number of manager? So in question it's given 35% of the manager have MBA and there are 42 manager with MBA. Then let's consider the total number of manager will be X. So 35% of total manager is equal to 42, right? So 35 by 100 into x is equal to 42. So x is equal to 4200 divided by 35. The x will be 120, and answer is option 4th. So here is our next question. At a certain store, one can buy 6 cans of juice for $8. How many cans of this same juice could one buy with $48? So here we need to find out that how many can of juice we get from the $48. So for $8 we get 6 can, right, juice. So for $1 it will become 6 by 8 can of juice, and for $48 the price will be become 6 by 8 into $48. So 8 6 times, that will become 36 cans of juice. So our answer is second option. So here is our next question. If it takes Bill 8 minutes to peel 30 potatoes, how many potato can he peel in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So we need to find out the number of potato peels in 60 minutes. So in 8 minutes Bill can peel 30 potatoes. So in 1 minute he can peel 30 by 8 potatoes. So in 60 minutes it will become 30 by 8 into 60. That will become 225. Answer will be 4th option. So this is the end of the second part of the percent and ratios. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment below down, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any update of our channel. So till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.